Hi everyone, Leigh Goldstein here. Welcome to 10-Minute Trades. Welcome to the weekly Market Movers video preview. This is our trade room schedule, as well as a look at all the events that we feel will move the futures markets in the upcoming week. So let's get started. Monday this week, there's no trade rooms. Tuesday morning at 3:15, there's a Euro French flash manufacturing report. There's the same version of the report at 3:30 in the morning. Those are German and French flash manufacturing reports. They do have DMMs, but we do not have trade rooms for those events. Our first trade room of the week is 9:15 in the morning on Tuesday, flash manufacturing services, and we'll stay in the room for new home sales with Richmond Manufacturing. 4 p.m. will be in the trade room for NVIDIA earnings, and then there's just 3 events we'll be watching for the rest of the day Tuesday. No trade room. API report has been downgraded to a watch. No trade room. That's at 4:30 p.m. 6:45 is New Zealand retail sales, and 10 p.m. is the New Zealand rate statement. I'd love to have a trade room and try to trade the New Zealand reports, but they have been very difficult because of poor liquidity, so you wind up getting bad bills and they become not very safe to trade. I'll do some extra testing. If I feel we can trade them safely, we may open the trade rooms for those events. Wednesday at 2 o'clock, the British CPI and PPI report has a DMM but no trade room. Our first trade room Wednesday is at 10 a.m. for the crude oil inventories. At 1:01 p.m. there's a new 5-year note auction that we're watching. It's not a new auction, but it's a new report we're watching. Not a trade room yet. Wednesday, our last trade room is 1:30 p.m. for the FOMC minutes. Thursday at 8, we've got preliminary GDP with unemployment claims. 9:45, we have 2 events, pending home sales and natural gas storage. And then we'll be back at 12:30 p.m. for the 7-year note auction. 4 p.m. for Costco earnings. That's it for Thursday. And then Friday, we'll start in the trade room with 2 events. 8 a.m. core PCE price index with durable goods. And then 9:30 on Friday. 9:30 in the morning on Friday, we'll be back in the trade room for revised University of Michigan consumer sentiment. Our YouTube stream of the week is the FOMC meeting minutes. That's Wednesday at 1:30 p.m. And I do want to thank everybody for watching. All times are Eastern time. Make sure you find your way into the trade room. We've had 3 fantastic weeks of trading in a row, and you don't want to miss some of these great events. So I'll see everybody in the trade room, and thanks for watching the video, and take care everyone. Leigh Goldstein signing out.